I just wanna review something on my top. I think that I'm kind of bored at the kitchen right now. It's kind of a bit too old. So look like, and also Aubrey's room is kind of it's kind of old too. Aubrey's room used to be, this is totally it's Aubrey's room, but I just changed up my character. I just didn't change up my characters last month ago, and I think it's this character's one that I'm saying. This is my character's the kidnap thing. Wait, where's the kidnap? This is this video one, the part one of the ballet class. I think the ballet actor, the girl of the that I'm using, the girl, and also like the yeah. So I'm just gonna change up some of thing on my toga. So I'm gonna change Aubrey's room right now. So I'm just gonna get her up, and also her. Let's pretend that this is his. I don't know. It's just like this is his friend. Maybe I don't think so. Okay. Just need to put her up. Put her teddy there. Some reviews. Okay, now let's start. Just need to get them out of the room. Okay, now let's start. I think not the bed area. The actually, I'm kind of a bit too in the similar of the bed. Not totally this bed. I'm still can't believe that I have a bed now. I just need to move this light there and the bag here, and I'm going to just wait. I just need to fix it up. I'm just gonna fix it like that. The and also this is kind of unknown in there. Okay, now let's just unknown that thing there, and I'm not gonna add this pillow right now. Just need to get her blanket there. She won't be mad if I throw that away. Okay, now some family reviews on her some of her vanity. I mean, like her vanity. Just need to why did I get that dog? Just put her dog there, and there, and this, and the other dog there, good as new, but like so to be the TV is kind of big, so I'm just gonna use just gonna use this one for now. Wait. throw that away. And I was gonna use not the old one that I'm using, was this one, the broken TV one. Don't need this. The broken TV that I know it last week. The twins just broke this TV, so I'm not gonna get that. So using this the big family home TV. I don't know what thing. Okay. So using this the big family TV. Just need to throw this away. This one. Just put it there. This one for the thingy. No, she's not a teenager. She's not a teenager, and I mean, like, she's a teenager, but she's not anything anymore about these. She's just only watching phones, and she's just reading and stuff, and watching some television. And I need some of these in the Y2K loft. I don't know. Okay. I think this is good as new. I just need to put it there. Okay. I think Aubrey's room is done. Have fun, kids. I'm just gonna get Aubrey and also her other one. Okay, now they are in sleepy. Okay, now I'm already did of Aubrey's room. Some of Aubrey's room. I don't need to change up the balcony of Aubrey's room. Kind of being similar. And for the next room here, the move on to the sitting room from Taylor Swift and Ellie Goulding's was the kitchen. I really want to have a review of this thing. It's gonna be too old though, because last time ago that I just built this house, it's second to build this big mansion. It's kind of big, so big. Has 3 levels. Okay. Just need to close all of this makeup. Okay. I think I'm all ready. I just need to put the ring light there. And also let's get a Barbie. Okay. Just need to turn it off. All of this. I didn't add anything of it here. Just gonna. I just can get all of the big fridge. It's kind of evacuate. I think I'm not gonna add the sitting room anymore. It's kind of too, I know, too modern. So let me put this up there and skip that in. Just need to put this Need to all of this there. I'm not gonna add this. Not totally this one. This one that I'm saying was it's not big. Some of things fit in here. Don't need free stuff. Okay. Now I don't need to just sorry about that, cause like yeah. And this fridge, I'm ready to get some of them food, but let's just add some of food.
Diba mama mo nandun sa bundok ngayon?
Oh, wala. Bumaba na. Kabababa lang.
Ano naman tawagan mo na rin si mama mo na daanan ako doon kina Emerson ha? Nevada. Doon ako matutulog.
Some of I'm there. Don't know why I have that one. Just need to get this right. Some more noodles, some more fish, pasta.
Yan lang ang dinala ko. Kasama yung
Ay,
ano.
hindi na yun. Hindi yun. Ano.
Hindi.
Puro sulat natin yun.
And
Pwede nyo lang sabihin dito na.
some of here is
Ano pa?
vegetables,
Ang tawag dito? Ano ba yung
some of watermelon,
hanggang ngayon, nagre-request na
and some of lollipop in there, but like
2013 nga.
2 lollipop would be on it.
Ayan, nandyan ang...
And some snacks and sweets in
Mga
here
90s,
too.
kung ano.
Some of corn on the cob.
Yan,
More
yung
lollipop.
nakaano na yan.
This thing.
Ang alin ang kailangan yung mga galing sa dar.
And some of
Mga kay tito, mga kay tito
cheesy
ata,
pops.
Hindi na.
Teka lang.
2 cheesy pops will be fine. And some of French fries. Okay, now
Ano naman natin, iba yung... Yan, magkano
2 seconds to build.
na problema.
Okay, now let's just get Taylor Swift. I mean like Ellie Goulding's there and Taylor Swift here. I think this is the review of the ano too of the bathroom is kind of noisy in there. Oh my! Why is it like that? So annoying. Why is it like this? And right cross into it, the I hear that they're putting some of TV and stuff.
Hindi ko magagamit. Baka yung sinad niya sa akin. Ang pwede. Hindi ko magagamit.
Some of TV and stuff in here, but like
Meron
not
pang
this
mas
one.
lumapa dito sa
It's
2000.
kind of modern actually. This one is kind of perfect, but too modern.
Mas luma
Tingnan
pa.
mo dyan.
This one is using the pack. The 5-star hotel.
Sabihin nyo na lang ang matagal na ninyong nire-request iyon.
Oo nga, nandiyan naman eh, sabi
Now
nila,
for
nakatagal
the,
na marami ng mga prostitute.
Mga kay Tito.
Bathroom review.
Email siya. Ito pa natitingnan yung
Kind
email.
of review with this. It's kind of
Pinareceipt ko sa
bit
mga
too
kanyang
modern though, 'cause like it's kind of modern. Now
Irlandas naman ay puro hindi naman ano-ano.
already it's need to get
Hindi mo sa ano-andar dahil sa sila sa mga nagpagsukwatan. Kaya sinasabi nga dyan,
I think I'm already done with the review
matagal na.
of the bathroom.
Maano ang kalaw pero wala marami.
Okay, I think I'm already done with the house.
Kasi yung ano,
But not last thing is that I just need to put the makeup there. Now it's already done. It's new.
Kala ko din gumawa nito.
Look. How did you look? It's so
Wala
pretty.
akong
Recto yan.
The review of the TV.
Recto yan. Ito
It's
pero
not totally this review.
hindi. Ito ay ano.
So this is
Yan,
the
ito yan, oh.
parents
Mapa
is-
yan.
real.
Ito
this is
ang
the
real.
parents
Ito ang
TV. And then this is the daughter's TV. It's kind of little, but like she doesn't like it, so she just watching it on some shows on her dad's TV. Okay. So this is the family review. Okay, the new review of the house. New look. So the next week I will go
Yan na lang ang
into
papel na nasa iyo.
review
Wala nang iba.
to fix the elevator. It's kind of a bit too old too. But it's like it's still new. The stuff it's kind of new. Because like it's just the bench and also the thing.
Ano ang kailangan yung mga
And I'm already
mayroon tayong buka.
dun 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 dun. So, alam na to ng daddy nila. So, yeah. Tulog pa daw. Goodbye. So, ito lang yun sa family review. O, review ng bagong ano so goodbye.